still remains a memorable day in my life. Did you see the surprise on my father's face when I presented him with those beautiful eggs?
Yes, my princess, I did. You even surprised me too. How did you even come up with such idea?
My princess, I never expected it.
You know, I had always wanted to give my father a special gift on the festival day. Something a little extraordinary.
Oh, my princess. No wonder you asked us yesterday the best gift a daughter could give her father.
Yeah.
Yes, you are right. And the idea came into me immediately. I set my eyes on those beautiful eggs.
Wow. My princess, that's so thoughtful of you. You made the festival a unique one. The history will be passed on from generation to generation because of this.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I never thought of that. Oh, that means I've made history for myself.
Of course.
Yes. Yes, my princess. Generation after generation will remember you for that.
I am overwhelmed. Oh, I'm so happy. Kenna, you're welcome.
Princess of Eziabala Kingdom. You broke records today with your magnificent displays.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'm so happy.
And you useless idiots. You can't quit.
Good day, my prince. Good day, my prince.
Good day, my friend. Useless shenanigans.
Ikenna! Like I was saying, I'm so happy. Again, I was waiting for you to finish eating so that I will talk with you.
What is the matter?
Ikenna, with all due respect, I don't like the way you treat my maidens as if they are worth nothing to me.
So you're here to warn me because of the way I talk to those riffraffs, those rats you call maidens?
No. You're getting me wrong. I'm not here to warn you, but to tell you to change your attitude towards them. I feel embarrassed each time you scold them for nothing.
Will you shut up? You're a disgrace to this family and the entire Eziabala Kingdom.
Ikenna! You called me, Odunze, a disgrace? How dare you?
I'm totally disappointed at you. No, look at you. You're not what's the princess of this kingdom, of this land. You're here to warn me because of the way I talk to those idiots you call your maidens.
What is going on there? Ogini?
You're out of your senses.
Ogini? Eh?
Ask her. Ask her. Your one and only princess. Ask her what she told me.
What did you tell him? Oh, no. You don't have to cry. What happened?
Greetings, my prince.
Is this not the girl that was brought here last night?
She is my prince.
I thought my father has decided to keep her here as one of the maidens.
That is true, my prince.
Then why is she still here in chains?
I'm waiting for the king's directives.
What? Set her free. Now!
I'm sorry, my prince. The king will get angry.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Who is the king? Is the king not my father? And who are you? Who are you to challenge me? To argue with me?
I'm sorry, my prince.
You're stupid! Get out! Loser! Set her free! Immediately!
Prince.
Do it! Now! Do it!
Stop crying. Stop crying. You should be thankful to the gods and be glad that you're still alive.
I don't know why she's crying. The prince had pity on you and released you from the chain. Yet you're here crying. Continue crying. A slave in the palace, yet you're not happy about it.
Oge, it's okay. Must you abuse her?
Iruka, please be warned. What I said to her is none of your concern.
It is wrong for you to raise your voice or despise her.
Iruka, mind your business in this palace.
Or what will you do? Will you beat me?
Yes, I will.
I dare you.
Hey. What's going on there? She will be staying with both of you for now until mother or father decides otherwise.
Yes, my prince.
Did I make myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Good.
I can see you've grown wings in this palace. No problem, I know what to do.
You cannot do anything to me. You cannot do anything to me. Nonsense. Jamaka, stop crying, okay? Dry your tears. Everything will be okay. Stop crying.
Why did you release her without my consent?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Don't tell me you're sorry. Answer my question.
It was the prince that asked me to release her.
My son,
Yes, Your Highness.
Ikenna asked you to release her?
Yes, Your Highness.
You, Your Highness, get me Ikenna right now.
Father, you sent for me.
Ikenna, did you or did you not force this guard here to release the girl that I have put in chains?
Oh yes, I did.
Ikenna, why have you decided to always go against my orders in this palace? Why?
Father, what again? What did I do this time? What did I do wrong? You have made it clear to all of us that this girl should remain here as a maiden. Father, it is wickedness for you to have kept this girl in chain and under unfriendly weather. Father, it is wickedness. Yes! Father, it's wickedness.
Shut up! You are talking to our father, the king.
Ikenna, get out of my sight.
Oh? Huh?
I said get out of my sight.
Get out!
Father, please, I'm sorry about that.
If this boy doesn't take time in this palace, I will disown him. And you know what that means. He will lose every inheritance.
Please, Father. It has not gotten to that extent. He's still your son. Please.
I have had enough from him. And in fact, it has gotten to this level. What is his problem?
Please. I'm so sorry. Yes? What are you still doing here? Get out! Father, please. I'm so sorry. I'll talk to Mother to talk to him.
I was at the palace this morning to deliver a message to the princess.
Did you see my sister?
Yes. She's already serving as a maiden.
Right. How is she?
Well, I think she's just getting used to the place. She was crying this morning when I saw her. I didn't have much opportunity to have long discussion with her. Ikejofo. The most important thing now is that she's still alive.
You're right, but how long is she going to stay there? How long?
Do not worry.
Iberi! Iberi! What are you doing with this man? Iberi! What are you doing with this man? Because I asked you a question and you answer. Just answer me now.
We are discussing.
Discussing what? Iberi! Before I close my eyes and open them again. Iberi wala. One pusu kewo. Ewo one keta. And you. Very next time I will see you close to my sister. Kankaya come. Close. If you're looking for people to talk to, go and look for slaves like you. And not my sister. What? What? I was talking to you. You are moving. You are moving.
My daughter, I have been thinking about this since after the ceremony, 2 days ago. I asked your mother and she said she knew nothing about it. That's why I called you.
Is that why both of you look so upset?
Yes. We have every reason, Odunze, to be upset. There is something about those eggs that is giving us a lot of concern. I was thinking about it before your father summoned me.
Father, there is nothing wrong about them.
No, Odunze, no, don't argue. Anyway, there's no need asking you where you got those eggs from. But the point is that you are taking them away. I do not want to see them again.
Father!
You heard what I said. Please, go and take them away. Go!
You're angry because of what your father told you in there? You shouldn't be.
He rejected my gifts and now he asked me to take them away.
Yes, because he has his reasons.
I wanted to keep those eggs and see what they would be when they are hatched.
Odunze, you cannot take such a risk. Your father said you should throw them away. Throw them away now.
My princess, what's the matter?
My father rejected my gifts. Now he wants me to take them away.
But why?
Where is Amara?
She went to check the eggs to make sure they are safe where we kept them.
Uncle, I don't want to take those eggs away. I don't want to.
My princess, you have to throw it away. What if someone finds out and reports to the king?
No, they cannot. You and Amara will help me preserve them where no one can find them. On the eggs.
My princess.
Amara, why are you crying?
My princess.
What is the problem? Why are you shedding tears?
The eggs.
What about the eggs? What happened to the eggs? Talk to me.
They fell off my hands and broke.
What? You broke all? You broke all the eggs? How could you? How could you break my eggs? Oh!
I'm sorry, I wanted to keep them in a warm position. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm
Greetings.
Oh, my princess. Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
Thank you. And congratulations for your victory yesterday.
Oh. Thank you. I must commend you for your wonderful performance yesterday.
Thank you.
The eggs, where did you get them?
I don't want to talk about it.
Is anything the matter?
Were the eggs that beautiful?
Yes, they are. I saw the excitement on the king's face when you presented the egg to him yesterday.
It was all a pretense. He rejected the gift afterwards.
Are you serious? So what was his reasons?
He said lots of things. And to make the matter worse, Amara broke the eggs accidentally. That's why I've been sad. I've been very sad since then.
Oh. I hate to see you look so unhappy. I wish I can restore those eggs so that you can have your happiness back.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
My princess, he's indeed a nice man.
Yes, he is. He knows how to put a smile on my face.
I know.
My princess, these are for you.
Oh, thank you very much. They are so beautiful.
I made them special for you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll be on my way now.
Thanks for coming to my house.
You're welcome.
Alright, see you some other time again.
See you.
La
Greetings, my princess.
Surprise. I didn't know you can greet. I thought they said you're stubborn. Anyway, never mind. What is your name?
Ikejofo. It's my name.
Ikejofo. What a lovely name.
Princess, if you don't mind, I take permission to take my leave now.
You can go. He's humble.
My princess, it was only a pretense. He knew you would be angry with him over the last time he passes without greeting you.
Yes, my princess. Nkoli is right.
Anyways, why am I bothering my head over a slave boy? Whether he's stubborn or not, it's not my business. Let's go. It was a dream.
Dream? By this time of the day? Maybe that's your Obanje has started again. You just have to control it.
Ikenna, you are the one that is an Obanje. Give up Obanje! Mind the way you talk to me. Stop insulting me. I'm your elder sister. I deserve some respect from you.
Oh, elder sister. Sorry. I'm sorry if I have insulted you. It's just that I'm trying to tell you to check it. Oh, wait.
Look at you.
Check it. Oh, wait.
What kind of dream was that?
My princess, is anything the matter?
I had a bad dream.
Dream?
Yes. In the dream, spirits were chasing after me. Like 3 of them. They were demanding something from me. I can't explain.
Oh, that's strange.
I am yet to understand why Prince Ikenna despises us so much.
Are you the one saying this? Were you not the one who told me how he begged to live with you but you refused?
Yes. I remember.
Anyway, Prince Ikenna made the same passes at me, but I refused.
He did? But you've not told me about that before. Anyways. What is even wrong with that boy?
I observed recently that Prince Ikenna have been sleeping with some of us in this palace.
That boy is just so shameless. The prince of the land. An heir apparent at that matter. No.
Come here. Are you deaf? I said come here.
What have you come here to do? Onny now isn't Idalobu.
No. She has gone dumb.
Abi.
She doesn't know how to talk again.
Nai Jamaka, or whatever you're called. You're a slave, and for that reason, I don't want to see you anywhere close to me. Do you understand? Now, get out of here. Out!
As I was saying, that boy is something else.
What is going on here? Am I not talking to human beings? Nothing, my things. Gossip. Gossip? That is the only thing both of you know how to do in this palace. I believe it's your destiny. It's your destiny. Both of you has been destined to gossip. Gossip. Come on, get out.
You're back. How are you? What is it?
Where is our father?
He's inside.
A maiden was found dead at the palace this morning. I heard some people talking about it at the train.
What happened to her?
Nobody knows.
The maiden, did they in any way mention her name?
No, not at all.
Okay, please. Do not let Papa hear this. Okay?
Yes.
I'm going to the palace now. I'm going to the palace now.
You're going to the palace?
Yes. Please help me pack these things.
Ikechofo.
Be careful.
What really happened to her?
I can't say, Your Highness. The maiden who saw her corpse said that it was bleeding from her nose and her ears, which means she bled before she died.
And how could such a thing happen in this palace, where I have guards and maidens, and yet no one can give account of it?
Father, why are you worrying yourself over a mere maiden? Instead of getting rid of her corpse, you're here talking about... Father, there are so many things in this palace that need your attention. Please, go straight to them and not... Anything can happen to anybody.
Ikenna, I do not want to hear a word from you again on this issue.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Besides, I have more important things to do with my life, not to sit down here and listen to you discuss corpse, mere dead body. Thank you for allowing me to go.
Where is Odunze?
She's outside, Your Highness.
Yes, my king.
Yes, are you back from Onowo's house?
Yes, my king. He is on his way to this place.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, my king.
Melema. I want all the maidens and guards in this palace giving thorough interrogation on this matter.
Yes, Your Highness.
Igwe, what must have happened to her?
No, I didn't know. But I've ordered that all the maidens and guards in this palace be interrogated seriously. At least one or two of them must have seen what happened to their colleague.
And that is true. Oh, yes.
Your Highness.
Yes, who is this?
He was spotted by the guard, who identified him as an intruder during Abala festival. They say he sneaked into the compound to release a slave girl that was rejected by the gods. And he ran away before we could get to him.
He came in to release someone I have in custody.
Yes, Your Highness.
And you did not tell me about it.
The slave refused to tell us who he is to her.
I will punish you for such negligence of duty.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Young man, who are you?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Don't greet me. Answer my question. Who are you?
My name is Ikejofo, the son of Okekenta from Umoru Kindred. The slave girl he talked about is my younger sister.
Wonders. A slave in the land? You had no fear coming into this palace.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
And he had no fear coming into this palace to set someone free. And as if that was not enough, you have the guts to come into this palace again.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Igwe, this is a serious matter. Maybe he must have an idea what happened to the dead maiden.
Your Highness, I'm innocent too.
Shut up! Innocent. You are still talking.
Guards,
Your Highness.
take him away and lock him up together with that slave girl.
Quickly.
I don't know how to tell father that Ikejofo left here for the palace in the morning and has not returned till now. Why has he not come back?
Aruka. Aruka Ego.
Papa.
What are you doing here?
Nothing.
Has your brother come back?
No, Papa.
Hey. This is unlike Ikejofo, my son. He has never left this house without telling anyone where he was going. Where has he been since morning? Hey. Please, get me water. Let me drink. Up to this moment, he's not yet back. Because of my ancestors, I hand him over to you. Is this not Chikenye's daughter? What happened to her? Hey. Is this not a similar strange death that occurred at the palace yesterday? Hey. The gods of our lands, what is happening to us? I don't know. We were clearing our farm over there. And the next thing she fell down. And blood sticks are coming out from her nose and mouth everywhere. And she died.
Just like that?
Just like that.
I knew it. I said it that this thing is not ordinary. When did it? Don't worry. I'm already on my way to the palace. Igwe must hear of this before Madam Wuchan Oboda. Hey!
Why is he in such a hurry? I hope all is well.
Mother! Huh? What? I don't know. What is it? I don't know. My body is scratching me. I'm a premium. I don't know. I don't know. Everywhere. Scratch me. Hey, mama. Hey. Scratch me. Mother, help me. I don't know everywhere. It's scratching me. What happened? I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened. Hey.
Your Highness, as I speak with you now, Ichie Nwenyi's daughter is still lying lifeless at the place I saw her. Even Kakarigwe.
Hey! I got one of the even
Evil has entered our land. Oh no. Until the rotten teeth is removed, the mouth will chew well. Let me understand you. Are you saying that the two girls you talked about had similar death with the girl who died in the palace yesterday? Your Highness, it's obvious.
This is a clear evidence that all is not well.
I came the second time. No. Let's see what is going on. My daughter's fault. My daughter.
Mother, I am dying. Oh. Mother, I am dying. Oh. Who did I offend? Who did this to me? Oh. Hey, Obia. Scratch my hand.
What happened to my daughter? What happened to her?
I don't know. I can't explain.
I don't know.
I don't understand.
But I'm innocent. But I'm innocent. I did not offend anybody. Oh.
Hey, you! Go fetch me the great herbalist. Joker, quickly. Go and fetch. Quickly fetch him from me. Fana, please, Fana. Hey! Did they bring you? Come on. Easy, take it easy. Hey!
Ibuka.
Ophieli.
You have to forgive Ojemba. Both of you can't go on keeping malice like this, Ibuka. Odroma.
I'm expecting you to talk sense into his head. I heard he goes around boasting that he's going to deal with me, Ibuka.
Ignore that. It's a rumor.
This is more than a rumor. Make your investigations, Ophieli.
Ibuka. Both of you used to be best of friends. Ezubueni now. Ibuka.
He started it. Even his father, the owner of this land, found out that I never encroached on anyone's farmland.
Ojali, what is chasing you?
We'll never. Both of you are still there. upon all that has happened this afternoon.
What? What happened?
Let me start with Chikenye's daughter, Ada, who was found dead this afternoon on her way to the stream.
What killed her?
I have just started counting. FOB's sister is lying dead in their father's house. On my way to this place, I saw where people gathered. I went there to find a young lady lying dead by the corner of the road. All this happened this afternoon. Now the Princess Odunze is lying critically ill at the palace.
Princess?
Yes. I am coming from the palace. The great herbalist has been called for her treatment.
No, it can't be,
That means there's trouble in the land.
I need to lock the door. I'm going to the palace right now.
Let's go to the palace.
How could you have done this to me, Arukego? You knew your brother went to the palace and you hid it from me. Now, tell me, what is your game?
Papa, I am very sorry. I am very sorry. Please forgive me. Ikejofo warned me not to let you know. I didn't know he wasn't going to come back.
I should have found my way to the palace and defend my son. Now tell me, none of us knows if he is still alive or not.
Papa, please forgive me. It is all my fault. Please, Papa, I'm sorry.
Get the lights. Let us go to the palace. I must be told the whereabouts of my children. If not, Abala should kill me too.
Papa, by this time of the night? No, Father. We can't go to the palace by this time of the night. Please, I beg you. I don't want anybody to level any allegation on us, please.
Get the light and take me to the palace, Arukego. Or do you think I'm kidding? Get the light and take my hand.
Papa! What is it? He's back!
Who? Papa.
Ikejofo.
Aruka. How are you?
Ikejofo.
Papa.
My son, you're back. Where have you been? Help.
Papa. I'm so sorry. I know you and Aruka must have been through a lot due to my absence. I'm sorry.
Now, what of your sister? Is she still alive?
Yes, Papa.
Eziabala is alive?
Yes, she's alive. We were both kept in confinement with neither food nor water. Until this evening, we were brought out to eat. After then, Igwe asked me to go home that I'm innocent. But Eziabala is retained in the palace.
Eziabala, my daughter. When will I touch her and hear her voice again? Because of my ancestors, please, don't let them kill my daughter.
Papa is okay. She'll be fine. Okay? Come, let's go inside.
I am. Onabonye ji akwụkwọ jebe nkuzi o. I am. Udo na gị na mmụọ gbara mgba. I am. Onabonye ji akwụkwọ jebe nkuzi o. I am. Onabonye ji akwụkwọ
The princess has refused to take her herbs. Nebikono, oh, please, oh, take the medicine. It will help you.
I don't want to take.
It's not bitter. It will save your life. Odunze Biko, for my sake, drink it.
Mother, I cannot.
This will be effort in vain if you refuse to take your herbs. It will work with the one I applied on your body. It won't kill you. It will save your life, I said. We'll even Wonya. Wonya.
My prince, here's the papa.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my prince.
Take one.
Thank you. Thank you, my prince.
Jamaka. Jamaka, you are the most beautiful girl on this planet Earth.
Thank you, my prince. Please, I have to go.
Nice.
Hey, come back here. What are you doing?
My queen, I brought papa for the prince.
Go.
Thank you, my queen.
What was the meaning of that?
What was the meaning of what?
You think I did not see you?
Mother, please. Please allow me to enjoy this popo. I need peace right now.
You're just stupid. Your sister is lying in there, sick. You have not made out time to see her. Idi mean.
You are accusing me now as if I'm the one responsible for the sickness that befell her. What is wrong with everybody in this house? No, what is wrong? Every time he can have this, he can have that. What is it?
Will you shut up? How dare you shout at me? Are you mad? I'm your mother. What is wrong with you?
No, you two go out and shout. Shout at me. Shout. What
Will you shut up? Wicked child.
Oh.
Nemo. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I was busy at the back here when my sister came to tell me that you're looking for me.
Yes. I came to sympathize with you about what happened the other day. I was really disturbed when I heard you were being held at the palace.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
How is your father?
Oh, he's fine. He's fine.
I brought this for you.
Oh, for me? So nice of you.
Thank you.
Resi, I want to appreciate you for your concern towards my family. You've been so friendly and so nice, despite our status in this kingdom.
Never mind. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I have to be on my way now.
Okay, let me walk you to the road.
Oh, thank you.
You see, I won't ask you where you're going to because I know this is not the way to your house.
Yes, my mother sent me to fetch firewood.
Okay, I'll go back from here.
What is Ojemba's sister doing with a slave? I don't think Ojemba is aware of this. I must tell Ojemba this. Magui Ojemba.
Okay. Please manage the banana I gave you. I know it's very small.
No, how can you say a thing like that? No gift from a pure and clean heart is small. Ebere, see, you have this quality in you that is hardly seen in most women of our days.
Thank you. I am flattered.
It's okay. I will see you next time.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah. You and Ibuka should put your past behind and carry on to be the good friends you used to be. I've spoken to Ibuka and he's ready for reconciliation.
Ofeli.
Ojemba.
Ofeli.
Ojemba.
Did I send you to Ibuka? No. Did I send you to Ibuka?
Ojemba, I don't understand you.
Okay, fine, you don't understand. See, the battle between I and Ibuka has just started. He thinks he's the strongest man in this kingdom, but I will prove him wrong.
Ojemba.
I will prove him wrong.
Ojemba, the way you are taking this matter too far. When he told me that you are going around the village telling everybody how you deal with him.
See, let me tell you something. I don't care. See, I don't care what Ibuka say or what he is about to say. I don't care.
Ojemba, think about my advice. Think about my advice. We are the youth leaders and we need to unite so that we can fight the challenges that may arise in the future.
Oh, really? Let me inform you. And let me pre-inform you. I am not scared of anything. I am not afraid of everything in this village.
Okay. Ojemba, I saw your sister when I was coming back where I went to check my trap. And indeed, I was not so happy when the person I saw her standing with.
And who do you see my sister with?
I saw your sister standing with the son of the slave boy. What's that name?
Ikejofo?
Yes, the son of Okekenta.
Wait. Ikejofo?
Yes.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, I'm going to caution how. Caution how.
Wait. Thank you for the information.
Ojemba, Ofeli, what is the problem? I just told him that I saw his sister standing with the son of Okekenta from Umoru kindred.
Yes.
What is the Igwe doing over the incessant deaths in the land?
Mazi Okonji, have you asked yourself why none of our kindred member is affected by the calamity that has befallen the land? It is because Eziabala is paying for the evils they committed against our people.
You are right. That is why they are confused that they cannot look for a solution to the problem.
I cannot forget how they murdered my wife and claimed they knew nothing about it. I'm looking forward to see the day we'll be free in this land, this community.
Okay, Kenta. When will that be? Where is the Messiah that will liberate us?
Wait! Where's the kitchen for? Let him come out now. Where's the son?
Who is that?
Oh, Amulowo's son. I want to see your son out or I will burn this house down.
Please don't burn my house. What has my son done to you that warrant you to burn my house?
No, you get that. I am not here for questioning and answering. Provide your son up. Where is him? I don't want to get out. Where is him?
Don't burn my house.
Papa, what is going on here? Why is he shouting?
Look at this fool. So I'm shouting. You must be a fool. You must be a bigger fool. Yes, a fool. Because I will show you why we own this land. You are a slave.
My friend, do you know what you are? That is what you are. Stop. That I'm a slave does not mean I'm a coward.
Hey!
Get out from my father's compound now.
Do you want to kill somebody? Do you want to kill somebody? Stop. Do you want to kill somebody?
Do you hear that?
Stop.
Do you hear that?
Chelu. Stop.
Any horn I can get Allah. Get Allah.
Stop. You want to kill somebody?
Ikejofor, Bikono, please go inside.
Nai, I am not going anywhere. I was born and brought up in this land, and that gives me the right of origin.
Calm down. You want to kill somebody?
Don't worry, he came, eh? Unyala. Leave my father's compound now.
Yes. It's okay.
Ezeonu, our people are dying. And my own daughter, the princess of the land, is at the point of death as I speak to you now. We want you to consult the gods to find out the cause and remedy to this problem.
Do you better go na ala mmụọ? Ma ọ ga jere na mmụọ ga-adị ka mmụọ. Gods of Eziabala, there is problem in the land. And I have come to find out why it is so. Okay, Eziabala Jemonu. Okay, Mojisi Anyoku. The water deity is very angry for what was done to her in the past. The princess must be brought here to speak by herself.
Wait. Today, are you telling me that my daughter is the cause of the problem in the land?
Those were the words of the gods. Sent for her immediately.
But like I said earlier, my daughter is very down. She cannot stand. What do we do?
Then send for one of her personal maidens.
Huh? Your Highness. God. Yes, Your Highness. Go and fetch one of the princess' personal maidens.
Is that all you have in the house?
Yes, this is all we have in the house.
Gets me water. Woman, I thought you said your husband will be back soon.
I didn't know he was going to stay long.
I want you to go to Okekenta's house and fetch your husband here now. I'm waiting.
I'm the only one in the house. I cannot leave my house.
You think I'm here for a joke? Will you go there and fetch me your husband here? Tell him I'm waiting for him. Don't you know I'm supposed to be in the palace by now to know how the princess is faring?
What do you want?
Don't pretend your wife didn't tell you why I'm here. But all the same, I will explain myself to you. I have warned your wife times without number to stay away from that piece of land. Today, this afternoon, I was passing by and I noticed that your wife was there doing some harvesting of cassava.
Why will you warn my wife not to harvest the cassava we planted in our land? Allow us to harvest our cassava. If it is the piece of land you want, you can have it all to yourself.
Warning you and your wife for the last time to stay away from that piece of land.
Ibuka, my calabash, my cup.
Ina agbaze. Agbazezina.
And how did he get those fruits?
He demanded I must give him something for making him come to our house.
And you offered him the fruits I kept in the house? Anyway, you've heard what he said. Stay away from that cassava farm. Let him have both the cassava farm and the land. And if he wants to eat them, let him go ahead.
This place reminds me of the sweet cherry apple in this forest. It's been long I tasted it.
Me too, my princess. Don't worry, we are very close to where the apple trees are located.
Are you serious?
Yes, my princess.
In that case, let's go and search for it.
My princess, I suggest we go home. Ama and I can come back and fetch the apples.
No. We are going in search of the apple. Amara, please lead the way.
My princess, the king will not be happy with us if he finds out that.
Nkole, my father is not here with us. You do exactly what I asked you to do.
Yes, my princess. My princess, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to provoke your anger.
Amara, please lead the way.
Look what I found.
Oh, my princess! How did you sight these eggs?
I looked and I saw them. They are very beautiful.
Yes, they are. But my princess, why are there sparkles of light on them?
The sparkles of light makes them look like a gift from the gods.
Exactly. Yes, they are gifts from the gods. They are so beautiful.
My princess, this might not be ordinary eggs.
What is your problem, Nkole? Why are you always afraid? What makes you think they are not ordinary eggs?
The sparkles on them.
So? Don't bother. I'm going home with them.
Princess, please return them. Let's go.
You never cease to amuse me. You, Nkole. Let's go.
It's very beautiful. Your Highness, we came back with the eggs. We didn't know what the princess had in mind until the day of the Abala festival.
Let me get one thing clear. Are you trying to tell us that the eggs the princess presented to our king were the same eggs you just talked about?
Yes, Nai.
Hey! If you're Melebai, Your Highness. Hey!
But where are the eggs now?
Why have you suddenly gone dumb? Speak!
Your Highness, the eggs are broken.
The eggs are broken. But my daughter told me she returned the eggs because I asked her to do so.
Your Highness, Amara broke the eggs before the princess could return it.
Your Highness, we're in big trouble. How can we come out of it? We are in big trouble. Hey.
Your Highness, yes. The eggs belongs to the sacred python.
Hey!
The image of sea goddess. She is very angry and she requires that the eggs be returned with immediate effect.
Hey! Now get out.
Ah!
Please, Ududo. Please, is there no alternative to this demand? Since the eggs are broken, please make your consultations and let us know.
Your Highness.
Yes.
The sea goddess is a stubborn one, and she has refused to make alternative demand. We have limited time to provide the eggs, or more of our young women, including the princess, will die.
Mbana. Igwe, how are we going to have more deaths in our land? How?
Ijeamaka.
Yes, my queen.
What is going on?
Nothing, my queen.
I ask you again. What is wrong with you?
I don't know, my queen. I feel weak and feverish, and it's also making me to vomit.
Ijeamaka, I did not ask you because I care about how you feel. No. I ask you because I can see some changes on your body. You are pregnant.
No, my queen. I'm not pregnant.
Will you shut up? I know you've been sleeping with all these girls. Who got you pregnant?
My queen, I'm not pregnant.
I give you till the end of today to give me the answer I want.
Please, my queen. I'm not pregnant. Please.